Hi boys and girls, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a bean bag or a rice bag at home, which will be really fun because then you can play all kinds of different games with it. And we invented this like maybe 2 months ago when the kids inherited a tic-tac-toe bean toss game, but we couldn't find any bean bags. So we looked around and figured out how to make our own. So I do happen to have some dried black beans, so we're going to do some with black beans. And if you don't have beans, that's totally okay. You can use rice. I know most people have rice. And the nice thing is, after you use your bean bags, you could always rinse it out and use your rice again because these are clean socks. So, Bella, I'm going to have you take, and I happen to have scoops that I think will fit in the socks. If you don't, you could use a funnel, or you could use a piece of paper and kind of tape it like a cone to make a funnel so it'll go in easier. So you're going to hold open your sock and you're going to just scoop. And then shake it down. That's what you're going to do. Jackson's going to do, he chose to do rice in his. And for the socks, I have a ton of mismatched socks. So I just went through my mismatched sock area and found some that had the nice long part so that you can tie them in a knot. Okay, give it a shake. Maybe you want it a little bigger. Maybe one more scoop. So some of the activities you can do with these afterwards is you can go outside and you could throw them like at different, targets or flowers or leaves. Or what we could do is take some paper. I think that'll be enough, Juliana. And then Jack's probably just one more scoop. Oh, one more, okay. So we can take some paper and write different designs and patterns on our paper. So we could do letters, we could do numbers, we could do shapes. And then you place them all around the floor. And then you have the kids toss to it. So you just say like, oh, okay, let's toss our beanbag to the circle, or let's toss our beanbag to the letter that makes the ah sound, like apple. Can you find the ah? And if your kids have trouble with that, you can make it a little bit simpler. One more, okay. You can, by just putting out two things at a time. You can say this is messy, but that's okay. Luckily, I have little brooms and dustpans, and the kids can tidy it up afterwards. Now, the part that you'll need to do is tie it. So after you've made it, I just did it with Juliana, as I should have told you. You just tie it in a knot like that, and now you have a perfect beanbag that you can play. Use a, let's see, Jack's. Okay. And so now we have our beanbag that we can play with our games. All right. Hopefully you guys are able to make a beanbag toss game and have a lot of fun too. Thanks for playing.